Hey guys, what's up? I just got this lap desk in the mail from Amazon, and so I just thought I'd check it out with you. Comes well packaged with these nice little corner things on here. But let's take a look at it. Looks like we've got a handle here, sort of like a briefcase handle, so you can actually carry this if you needed to. I'm just going to be using it in my house, so I don't know how much I would use that, but I suppose if I was going to like tuck it behind a chair or something, that handle would really come in handy. Let's go ahead and open this up. Take a look here. We have the legs, which are nice, and they have this like rubber padding. This feels like metal here, which is cool. That makes it feel a bit heavy duty. And then let me zoom this out so you can see that a little bit better. We've got a nice little cup holder here and space. Like I guess you could put like an iPad or something there, so that's pretty nice. But this is great. Like I use a pretty large laptop, and I'm gonna have plenty of space to have this here and have other things like coffee on the side. So anyway, this is looking pretty nice. Pretty excited about it. Love that it folds up. Nice and neat because I have a really small space, so I don't have a lot of room. But anyway, yeah, I hope this was helpful for you, and I hope you have a great day.